Assalamualaikum, dear students. Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to the online platform of NNPS Home School. I am Jebatabasu Fedros, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Nursery School. Today, I will discuss on the topics of division for class 4. Now, we solve the CBQ question. Before studying it, first we discuss the process of division. For division process, we need to remember 4 things, that is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Now the question is, what is dividend, what is divisor, what is quotient and remainder? Dividend. The number which we divide is called dividend, and the number by which we divide, that is called divisor. Quotient is the result we obtain, and the remainder is the number left over. Here an example is given. From this example we can easily understand these 4 things, that is dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Here we see that 3030 is divided by a 2-digit number, that is 24. Here 3030 is our dividend and 24 is our divisor. After the process of division, we have got the quotient, that is 126, and here the remainder is 06. So, my dear students, I think all you have understand the process of division and these important 4 things. Now, we will go to the CBQ question. First, we read out the question. Here the question is 3030, 9360, 32 are some numbers. Question A. Divide first number by 100. Question B. Divide first number by 40. And question C is divide second number by third number and identify the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. Now go to the solution. The solution of A. Here the question said us that divide first number by 100. Our first number is 3030. So we have to divide 3030 by 100. As we divide 3030, so 3030 is our dividend. So dividend is 3030. We divide 3030 by 100. So our divisor is 100. This is the process of division, that is 3030 divided 100. Now let's see the division. See carefully. First we write down 3030. We divide this number by 100. Here 100 is 3 digits number. So we have to count 3 digits of our dividend, that is 303. Now the question is, how many 100 will take to make 303? 1 times of 100 equal 100. 100 times 2 equal 200. And 1 times 3 times of 100 equal 300. So here we see that 300 is close to 303. So we have to write down this, that is 3 times of 100 equal 300. Subtract 300 from 303, that is 3. As 3 is smaller than 100. So we have to count the last digits of dividend, that is 0. Write down here 0. After write down 0, we see that 30 is also smaller than 100. So there is 30 is not divided by 100 except 0. So we multiply 100 by 0 and write down here 0. Subtract this, we 30. So here we see that our quotient is 30 and our remainder is 30. This is our result. That is written like this, that is quotient our dividend and our divisor is 40. That is right here. Like the similar process of A, we write down here 3030 divided 40. Let's do the division again. First, write down 3030 and divide it by our divisor 40. Here we see that 14 is 2 digits number. So we have to count 2 digits of our dividend, that is 30. Now how many 14 will take to make 30? For this we go to the multiplication. That is 14. 1 times of 14 equal 14. 2 times of 14 equal 28. 3 times of 14 equal 42. Here we see that 42 is bigger than 30, but 28 is close to 30. So we take 2, that is 2 times of 14 equal 28. Subtract 28 from 30, the result is 2. Here 2 is smaller than 14, so we have to consider the third digit of our dividend, that is 3. Write down here 3. As we see before, that is 2 times of 14 equal 28, which is bigger than 23. So we need to count 1 times of 14, that is 1 times of 14 equal 14. We multiply 14 by 1. So 1 times of 14 equal 14. Subtract 14 from 23. That is 9. Here 9 is also smaller than 14. Then we have to take the last digit of our dividend, that is 0. Put here 0. We see that 90 is much bigger than 14. So we need another multiplication, that is 40 times 5 equal 70. 40 times 6 equal 84. Now we see that 84 is close to 90. So we take 6 here, that is 6 times 40 equal 84. Then subtract 84 from 90. The result is 6 and 0. Here we see that after the division, when we divide 3030 by 14, we got the quotient, that is 216, and we have the remainder, that is 06. This is our result of question B. We write down the answer like this, that is quotient 216 and our remainder is 06. Now we go to the question C. Here question C is said that divide second number by third number and identify the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. In our question, the second number is 9316 and our third number is 32. We have to divide 9316 by 32. As we divide 9316 by 32, so we can say that 9316 is our dividend and 32 is our divisor. Here the question says that identify the dividend, divisor, quotient and remainder. From this we have already found the dividend and divisor, that is dividend is 9316 and divisor is 32. As here said, to identify quotient and remainder, for quotient and remainder we have to do the division process. Now go to the division process. First we write down here 9316 and divide it by 32. Where 32 is the divisor. as 32 is 2 digits number, so we have to count 2 digits of our dividend, that is 93. Then we go to the multiplication, that is 32 to 1, that is 1 times of 32 equal 32. 2 times of 32 equal 64. 3 times of 32 equal 96. Here we can easily see that 96 is greater than 93. So we cannot accept this. We have to consider this, that is 2 times of 32 equals 64. 2 times of 32 equals 64. Now subtract 64 from 93, that is 9, 2. Here we see that 29 is smaller than 32. So we have to count the third digit of our dividend, that is 1. Write down here 1, then the number became 291. This is so much big than 32. So now the question is, how many 32 will take to make 291? Now go to the next multiplication, that is 32 times 6 times of 32 equal 192. 9 times of 32 equal 288. Here we see that 9 times of 32 equal 288, which is close to 291. So we have to consider the digit 9, that is 9 times of 32 equal 288. Subtract 288 from 291, that is 3. We found the digit 3, but here 3 is smaller than 32. So then we take the last digit of our dividend, that is 6. So write down here 6. Here we can easily see that if we take this multiplication, that is 1 times of 32 equal 32, then we get our result, that is 1 times of 32 equal 32. Subtract 32 from 36, that is the result is 04. So after this division process, we see that here 291 is our quotient and 04 is our remainder of this division. Now we see that our quotient is 291 and our remainder is 04. In our question, they say that to identify quotient and remainder. We have already found the dividend and divisor previous. Now we found that quotient and remainder, which is 291 and 4. We have to write down the answer like this process. So, my dear student, I hope all you have understood this process of division. Keep practicing more and more at home for better learning.